Okay, guys, here's our layout finally for this kitchen. So, plan view to get our bearings, our 36-inch range, sink, dishwasher, fridge, and then our island is 96 for the countertop and 42 this way. And these blue lines represent 42. 3D view here. Our apron sink, and we can see we've got this corner that's clipped. The dishwasher, little funky space to contend with here. We can see what we can do. Another clipped corner, cab, couple 30-inch drawer stacks, Lazy Susan, spice pull out, left of your range, another drawer stack, and an appliance hood. And we need to verify if we can duck that out. On the front of the island, microwave right here, couple drawer stacks left and right, our fridge, Lazy Susan, a skinny cabinet here for a tray divider, cookie sheet storage, and a drawer stack to the right here. So another layout that we did, and we'll call this one option number 2, to keep this more open instead of the fridge blocking some of this off. But this is so open, I don't know if that's going to be an issue putting the fridge here. But we lose a fair amount of cabinet space putting it here. All of this is the same. The only change with this layout is the fridge location. Okay, let me know what you think. Thank you.